So in the first line he's saying, Dhana Mora Nityananda. Nityananda is my dhan. You know what is dhan? What is dhan? Dhan is something people are very attached to. You know, if there's a little baby who doesn't know anything, doesn't even know how to sit yet, and if you give that baby a piece of paper and you want that piece of paper back from him, the baby may give it back to you easily. But try giving them $100 bill and see how easily the baby will release that. He will grasp onto it so hard, you will not be able to get it out of his hand. These days, they are coming out trained from the mother's womb. They know what is dhan, what to
Abhimanyu was trained.
hold on to. For most people in this world, dhan is the most important. So, that most important place in our lives, in the lives of Vaishnavas, devotees, is given to Lord Nityananda. Lord Nityananda ki Srila Narottam Das Thakur is saying that devotees should love Lord Nityananda as the karmis love money. Mat pita tum mere jab tak note dharo, नहीं तो मैं जाऊंगा शिव के द्वारे और नहीं तो जाऊंगा माता के द्वारे, जल्दी जेब ढीली करो, ओम जय चिट्टे नोट हरे। सबको पैसा चाहिए, धन चाहिए, वेल्थ चाहिए, बाकी सब आप रख लो अपने पास, दे देना किसी और को। भगवान अगर किसी को कहें मैं तुझे सद्बुद्धि देना चाहता हूँ, नहीं मेरे पास अनफ है, सद्बुद्धि किसी और को दे देना, मुझे तो केवल धन दे दो। लोगों के जीवन में धन सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट। वो समझते हैं कि धन मिल गया तो सब कुछ, धन नहीं तो एक भक्त के जीवन में धन की तरह इंपॉर्टेंट है नित्यानंद। नित्यानंद हमारे गुरु हैं, आदि गुरु हैं। हमारे गुरु जो कोई भी हैं, जो कोई भी शिक्षा गुरु है, जो कोई भी दीक्षा गुरु है, उनके गुरु कौन है? जो कोई भी है उनके गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद, सब आचार्य, फिर सब गोस्वामी, और फिर उनके भी गुरु कौन है? नित्यानंद। नित्यानंदा की Gurutvakarsan Shakti is gravitational power. Everybody knows of the Gurutvakarsan Shakti or the gravitational power. Where does it come from? The science books have taught us right from the childhood that the earth has this Gurutvakarsan Shakti or gravitational power. But the science book never tells us where does it come from. Gurutvakarsan Shakti comes from Nityananda. You know, you have probably heard that this whole Prithvi, this universe, is sitting on a serpent's hood. Have you ever heard that? Your nani, dadi ever told you? Shesh. Who's Shesh? Nityananda. When you go on the Vrindavan Parikrama, there is a place called Sheshashai. Been to Vrindavan Parikrama? Who's been to Brajmandal Parikrama? Sheshashai? No. At Sheshashai, they will tell you the pastime that at one time the Supreme Lord asked Anant Shesh. Actually, that Shesh is close enough, but Shesha is not the right name. It is Anant Shesh. There is Sheshnag and then there is Anant Shesh. Of course, they are both forms of Nanda. So in that sense, they are the same. So Anant Shesha was asked when the Supreme Lord was creating the material world that I need somebody to hold this in place, hold the material world in place. It is not actually this earth that is sitting on the hood of the serpent. The whole material world. What is the whole material world? There are Ananta Koti universes. So, if you want to compare this material world to our universe, that is the 14 planetary system, it would be a comparison between a 40 kg bag of mustard seeds to one mustard seed. That many universes are there in this material world. And Ananta Shesha is holding all of them on his Ananta, uncountable, infinite. He has how many hoods? Infinite, no count. And he's holding the whole material world on his hoods. And then he asked the Supreme Lord, okay, you want me to hold the whole material world on my head? Okay, tell me who's going to hold me? So the Supreme Lord said, okay, as Kashyap avatar, as the turtle, I will go below you and I will hold you. You hold the material world. So at the Sheshashai, we are told this pastime that with folded hands, Anant Shesha asks the Supreme Lord, okay, you want me to do this devotional service? I will do it. But please tell me, how long? How long do you want me to perform this devotional service? And the Supreme Lord said, oh, well, you know, you have these unlimited amount of mouths. Connected to every hood is a mouth. With all these mouths, you sing my glory. And the day you are finished singing all my glories, your service will end. And Anant Shesh again folded his hands and he said, I understood. My service will never end. Because your glories. There is no end to your glories, Supreme Lord. So there is no end to my service. So this is the pastime at the Sheshai. And coming back to, and that Ananta Shesha is expansion of Nityananda, and Sheshnag is also expansion of. So Srila Narottam Das Thakur saying that for a devotee, we should be loving Nityananda as money, as other people love money. Karmis, what do they love? What do they care? Money is the honey. Everything else you can take. Money? No, that's mine. When little children, the little preschoolers, they say anything they lay their eyes on, anything they see, they hold it, even if it's somebody else's toy, and say right away, no, it's mine. No, it's mine. They know how to serve. The next line is saying, Pati Mora Gaurachandra. Pati, what is the meaning of Pati in Kali Yuga? Pati may not mean a whole, but in the real sense, Pati means Swami, the only one I will submit. Woman doesn't go around submitting to anyone and everyone out there, only submits. That is, so a devotee should consider Gaurachandra, Gaurang Mahaprabhu, as their husband. There is a Tarnagati that we are all supposed to do. And Tarnagati has 6 principles. What are the 6 principles? Danya Atma Nivedana, Goptra Tvevarana, Avashya Rakshive Krishna, Vishwasa Palan, Bhakti Anukula Matra, Karyera Svikara, Bhakti Pratikula Bhava, Varjanangikar. ये 6 प्रिंसिपल्स में से एक मेन प्रिंसिपल है, उसको कहते हैं गोप्त्रत्व वर्ण. गोप्त्रत्व वर्ण किसी को समझ में आता है? गोप्त्रत्व वर्ण. गोप्त्रत्व वर्ण मीन्स मैरी कृष्णा जस्ट लाइक यू मैरिड योर हस्बैंड. एक्सेप्ट कृष्णा इन योर लाइफ एज योर हस्बैंड. दिस डज नॉट ओनली स्टैंड फॉर those who are in a woman's body. Even if you are a man's body, accept Krishna as your husband. Goptratva Varana. Marry him. What does marry mean? That's it. I am not looking at any boys anymore. I have one and that's it. I am not shopping around. I am not looking. You heard that joke. It's a very powerful learning story of a woman going to a departmental store to find a husband. So she goes on the first floor. They tell her, these are all the men that have job. And there are 6 stories, 6 floors. So she says, yeah, that's good. All these men have job. What is on the second floor? On the second floor, ye fir band ho gaya. They said the second floor has men who have jobs and who love children. So she goes to the second floor, likes the people. And then she wants to check out the third floor. So there are men who have jobs, they love children, and they want to get married. She wants to check out the 4th floor. These men have jobs, they love children, they want to get married, they are good looking, and so on and so forth. So in the end, she gets to the 6th floor. And the 6th floor, what do they tell her? We have no man for you because you are too demanding. You rejected everyone. You are too demanding, no husband for you. So Pati is that way. We should accept Krishna, the Supreme Lord, as our husband. For a woman, she may have so many men in her life. So many men may be a fatherly figures. They could be brotherly figures. But when it comes to husband, there's only one. No more than one. So that's how devotee should accept. Not 2, not 3, not looking, not checking, not shopping. That's it. If all the expectation once a woman gets married, all of her expectations are from one man. She doesn't expect anything else, anything from all the other men around. She doesn't expect anything. Even her own father give her something, she may say, no, Dad, you gave me enough already. Don't give me any. But can you imagine any woman saying that to her husband? You've given me enough. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Can you say yes or no, smile, anything? कोई मर गया क्या? जब उसकी शादी हो जाए तो कोई लड़की बाहर जाके किसी दूसरे आदमी से लड़के नहीं आती. एडमिंटन में होता है ऐसा. वुमेन गो अराउंड फाइटिंग मैन. नो. लेकिन अगर उसको लड़ना है तो अपने घर में आके आराम से अपने पति से लड़. ऐसा तो होता है ना एडमिंटन. क्यों होता है ऐसा? If a woman is not ready to fight any other man out there, why is she willing to fight with her husband? Yes. The right answer is that my expectations from everybody else is nothing. If you're driving, a man cuts you off, a woman may say, and another woman cutting a woman off, right away the B word comes out. The woman will not fight anybody outside, but she will only fight her own husband at her own home, because all her expectations are now from this one. If he does something, that will disappoint her. If any other man does anything wrong or anything, she doesn't care. I'm not disappointed by whatever the neighbor's husband is doing. What my husband is doing, if he does something wrong, I'm disappointed. I'm gonna fight it out. I'm going to fix him. Do whatever it takes to fix him up and try to get him in the next life again. In the next line, Narottam Das Thakur is saying, Prana mora jugal kishore. Prana mora jugal kishore. What is my life? Jugal Kishore. Jugal Kishore means Radha. Jugal means two. Kishore means young people. So when we have on our altar Radha and Krishna, they are always Kishore Avastha, because they only had their pastimes together when they were Kishora and Kishore. So we only worship them in that form. That is also called the Sham Sundar form. Sham Sundar. Kishora, Kishori. Prana Mora, Jugala Kishore. Advaita Acharya Bala, Gadadhara Mora Kola. Advaita Acharya is my strength, my bal. My strength is Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya. Who is Advaita Acharya? Anybody knows the real identity of Advaita Acharya other than Krishna Kshetra? No, don't. You're supposed to raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who knows Advaita Acharya's eternal identity? Yes. Oh, you're raising your hand to cough. Who knows Advaita Acharya's eternal identity? Okay. Krishna Kshetra. Mahavishnu. Advaita Acharya is Mahavishnu. Who is Mahavishnu? Mahavishnu is the expansion of Krishna, who is Sarva Karana Karanam. The whole universes, they come out of his body. He produces the universes. And then they come out of his body and then they expand. That is Advaita Acharya. Advaita Acharya, the most powerful personality in this material world. And Srila Narottam Das Thakur is saying, Advaita Acharya is my strength. Gadadhara Mora Kola. Who's Gadadhar? Anybody knows who Gadadhar is? Don't say, raise your hand. The eternal identity of Gadadhar Pandit. Gadadhar Pandit. Eternal identity of Gadadhar Pandit. Ananda Vilas. Radharani. Of course, all of you knew, but nobody's raising hand. And
shy.
क्या बात है? क्यों? आप डरे हुए हो क्योंकि बालकृष्ण प्रभु बैठे हैं? बालकृष्ण प्रभु तो इतना बड़ी बेयर हैं, इनसे डरने का नहीं. He is so jolly. He loves everybody. He may not say it. Does he say to any one of you that I love you? But I assure you that he does. He doesn't say it. Yeah. He doesn't say that, but he loves you. Let me assure you. Because he tells me, not that he loves me, that he loves, and he cares about. So, Gadadhar Pandit is the form of Srimati Radharani. Eternal identity of Gadadhar Pandit. You know what happened one day? Krishna decided that I am going to go and appear in the material world as Shri Krishna Chaitanya. I am going to incarnate as Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Bolo Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki. So he tells Radharani that I am going to go and take incarnation as my own devotee. I am going to be Gauranga. So Radharani says, oh, if you want to go, I want to go with you. I want to go with you too to the earth planet to see you playing the role of your own devotee. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu said, okay, no problem. You come with me. We'll go together. But Radharani said, there is one issue. What is the issue? What do you want? He says, I don't want to go in a woman's. Gauranga Mahaprabhu says, is wrong with the woman's part? She goes, no, nothing wrong with the woman. But there is too much loclage. A woman cannot just do what she wants. There are so many people to stop her doing. She has to always worry about what would the others think? What would the others say? Do I have a permission to do this? Am I going to be safe out there? Usually, boys need so little permission to go out and do anything, and the girls need so much more. You feel that? So, Radharani said, I want to go with you, but not as a girl. I'll go with you as a boy, Gaurang Mahaprabhu. You want to come as a boy? You come as a boy. So, you know what they did? Who's been to Mayapur? Bas. बाकी सब कोई मायापुर ही नहीं गए. Who has seen the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the birthplace of Gadadhar Pandit? It's right there. Within 50 meters, not 50 kilometers. 50. Within 50 meters, Mahaprabhu appears and Gadadhar Pandit in another family appears 50 meters. And they're both same age. In the childhood, they play together all day long. Both boys, no worries. When they're that young, no worries even if they were not boy, if they were boy and girl. But then they start to go to school. Both of them going to school together, holding each other's finger. Studying in the same school together, all day together, in the class together, in the recess playing together, and coming home together, holding each other's finger. And have the same homework. So they are having their homework together. And then at night, one goes to the parents and say, I want to have a slumber party over at his house. And what is the parents going to say? Yeah, sure. जा, उसके घर सो जा. अगले दिन वो उसके घर सो रहा. और अगर ये एक लड़का और एक लड़की होते तो एक 6 साल की भी लड़की कहती अपनी माँ से कि I want to have a slumber party at this boy's house. How many mothers will allow that? Yes? No? Not even in Canada? Not even in Canada. You are not going to have sleepovers at boys' houses. Not even today. Very rare. May happen. Very rare. So, Radharani planned that if I come as a boy, then no issue. We can hang out together all day, all night. Now what's left? सुबह को दोनों एक दूसरे की उंगली पकड़ के स्कूल जा रहे हैं. स्कूल में सेम क्लास है. रेसेस में खेले. हाथ पकड़ के घर आ गए. और रास्ते में अगर जो Nimai was very naughty when they were coming from school. Sometimes there will be people taking a bath in the Ganga and they leave their clothes on the side, on the bank of, take their clothes off and go in the Ganga. And he would go and mix them. Sometimes he would go and take their clothes and put them in the Ganga. Sometimes he would splash water on them. And then they will come to Jagannath Mishra, his father, to complain about him. And he would say, no, I didn't do that. I didn't do it. Who's your witness? There's Gadadhar. Gadadhar, did I do it? Gadadhar says, no. So he's using Gadadhar Pandit as a witness. After doing all the naughty things, he shows his parents. The neighbors came complaining that he splashed water on us. After we had taken a bath, splashed water on. And then he shows his fingers to his father. Look, my fingers still have ink on them. How could I have splashed water and then still have ink on my fingers left? At school, not these days. But even when we went to school, there was ink. And you would get ink and a kalam. You used kalam? Fountain pens with the ink filled. We used kalam also. Dip the kalam in the ink and then you write. So no matter what you do, some ink will always end up on your fingers. कोयले की दलाली में हाथ काले हो ही जाएंगे.
She used that to write the Vedas.
Yes. So, Sri Narottam Das Thakur is calling Haribo. इसको क्या हो जाता है?
The volume, it still lasted longer though. Previously it was tripping more often.
Well, it should be charged up and, maybe it doesn't have a battery. आप उसके पास में ही बैठ जाओ. So he calls Advaitacharya his strength and Gadadhar his family. That applies to all of us. Is Radharani our family? Do we belong to the family of Radharani? Not so sure. Are you sure? You're doubtful. No? Who's your dad? Yeah. Who's your dad? Who's your real dad? Then who's your mother? So then who's your family? So don't be doubtful. You're saying yes, but I can see the doubt. If my father is Krishna, then my mother is Radharani, then who's my family? मेरी माँ से ज्यादा कौन मेरी फैमिली है? मेरी माँ से ज्यादा भी कोई फैमिली हो सकती है. So be sure नरहरि विलास ही मो। ये नरहरि सरकार की बात कर रहे हैं। नरहरि सरकार इनके इनिशिएटिंग गुरु हैं, नो सॉरी, इनके मेन शिक्षा गुरु हैं नरहरि सरकार, और उनके लिए कह रहे हैं नरहरि विलास ही मोर, मीनिंग नरहरि सरकार मेरी महिमा है। In the next line, he gets into more important things. Of course, Nityananda is important, Gaurang Mahaprabhu is important, Advaitacharya, Gadadhar Pandit, his own guru. Now he says, Vaishnavera pada dhuli, tahe mora snana keli. What is important? भक्तों के चरण कमलों की रज, वह किस काम की है? For me to bathe in. Why do we bathe? To get purified. If we want to be clean and purified, we bathe the body. And you want to clean and purify your soul, then you should be bathing in Vaishnavera Padadhuli. Tarpana Mora, Vaishnavera नाम. भक्तों के नामों से मुझे संतुष्टि। तर्पण, आप लोग सबने तर्पण का नाम सुना है, तर्पण, लेकिन तर्पण का रियल मीनिंग नहीं पता। तर्पण का मीनिंग हम क्या समझते हैं? जो डिपार्टेड सोल्स के लिए पूजा की जाती है उसको तर्पण कहते हैं। लेकिन तर्पण का मीनिंग क्या है? तर्पण का मीनिंग है फुलफिलमेंट, संतुष्टि, सेटिस्फैक्शन। सो वी वर्शिप द डिपार्टेड सोल्स ऑफ द फैमिली और द एंसेस्टर्स टू सेटिस्फाई देम, टू फुलफिल देम, टू फुलफिल their desires. Why do we do that? Because they have lived their whole life to look after us. And what did they make? Money. Did they take it with them? No. Who did they give it to? Us. Most of us end up with something from our ancestors. They have left us. So we thank them that instead of sitting there and chanting Hare Krishna like these Hare Krishna devotees, my father went out and did hard work and bought this property and left it to me. Whereas those who are sitting there and chanting the holy name are going to leave you a lot more than that property. But nevertheless, Tarpan means to satisfy them because they were not able to look after their own spiritual life. We take the time to fulfill their spiritual. They were not able to chant for themselves, we chant for them. They were not able to do kirtan because they were busy earning for us, we do kirtan for them. They were not able to donate a cow or feed the brahmanas because they were too busy making money to supply to us, we do it for them. That is Tarpan. So, Sri Narottam Das Thakur here is saying तर्पण मोरा वैष्णवेर नाम, भक्तों के नाम का जप से मुझे संतुष्ट। क्या नाम होते हैं भक्तों के नाम? आनंद चरण, बाल कृष्ण, कृष्ण क्षेत्र, सरस्वती, ये किसके नाम है? जितने भी हमारे भक्त लोग इनिशिएटेड डिवोटीज है, आपका क्या नाम है? तो बताया था राधा प्रिया। और आपका क्या राजप्रभु, आपका क्या नाम है? आपका दीक्षा नहीं हुआ, खाली राधा प्रिया माता जी का हुआ। राधा प्रिया, ऑल ऑफ दीज नेम्स, व्हाट आर दे? दे आर नेम्स ऑफ कृष्णा और फॉर्म्स ऑफ कृष्णा और क्वालिटीज ऑफ कृष्णा और समथिंग रिलेटेड टू द पास टाइम ऑफ कृष्णा, एंड दे आर कृष्णा's पार्षद, eternal associates of Krishna. Like my name is Akrura, given by my guru. It is not name of Krishna, but Akrura is eternal parshad, eternal associate of Krishna in Krishna Leela. In the Bhagavatam itself, there are 4 chapters on Akrura Leela. You can't do Akrura Leela without Krishna Leela, and that aspect of Krishna Leela you cannot do without Akrura. So they are, all these 5 are one and the same. What are the 5? Name, qualities, form. सारे आप ही बताओगे. Krishna Kshetra Prabhu is trained for so many years. Remembers his training. How many years you've been attending home programs? 2005. 20 years attending the home program. So these are 5 things that relate to Vaishnavera Naam. Vaishnavera Naam means name of Krishna, form of Krishna, quality of Krishna, Leela of Krishna, and Parshad of Krishna, eternal associate. Next line says, Vichar kariya mane भक्ति रस आस्वादने। वैदिक साहित्य गुणों को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने यह निष्कर्ष निकाला है कि मध्यस्थ श्री भागवत पुराण श्रीमद् भागवतम सभी शास्त्रों में सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। बोलो ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की। These are list of important things in a devotee's life, and Bhagavad Puran is one of them. वैष्णवेर उच्चिष्ट ताहे मोर मननिष्ठ। वैष्णवों के द्वारा छोड़े गए प्रसाद। आपको पता है एक प्रसाद होता है, एक महाप्रसाद होता है, महा होता है। पता है कौन सा होता है? हाँ तो कर रही है, हिंदी जानते हैं, सब चीज पे हाँ करती है, कुछ पता भी नहीं हो तो कौन बताएगा? प्रसाद, महाप्रसाद, महा। बालकृष्ण प्रभु के, बालकृष्ण तो एक्सपर्ट। प्रसाद, महाप्रसाद और महा। सरस्वती कौन बताएगा? प्रसाद, महाप्रसाद और महा। प्रसाद, महाप्रसाद और महा। आपने हाथ ऊपर किया था। थैंक यू, गो अहेड। प्रसाद वो है, माता जी कह रही हैं, जो हमने कृष्ण को अर्पण किया। फिर महाप्रसाद, चलो कुछ तो कहीं तो बात शुरू हुई। कौन बताएगा महाप्रसाद और फिर महा? ओके कोई बात नहीं, मैं बता दे। फिर याद रखना आप लोग, अदिति माता जी आ गई, ये जानती हैं प्रसाद, महाप्रसाद और महा। वो तो मेरी बात ही नहीं सुन रही। प्रश्न पूछा है, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? प्रसाद, महाप्रसाद और महा। दिस इज ऑल इस्कॉन टर्मिनोलॉजी। यस, कोई बात नहीं, बैठ आप बैठ जाओ। आप अभी ठंड में से आई हो, थोड़ा सा वार्म हो जाओ। ऐसे तो आज एडमंटन में बिल्कुल वैंकूवर की तरह लग रहा है, जैकेट भी पहनी नहीं जा रही, प्लस में आ गए। इतनी ठंड वैंकूवर में होती है, ये विंटर है वैंकूवर। तो प्रसाद जो कुछ भी भगवान को अर्पित किया हुआ, बचा हुआ, वो जनरली प्रसाद है। लेकिन महाप्रसाद इज दैट जो भगवान की प्लेट में, भगवान की कटोरी में हमने ऑल्टर पे रखा है, वो प्रसाद नहीं है, बाकी का सारा प्रसाद है। या इसको ले जाके हम बाकी के भगवाने में मिला देंगे, वो सब प्रसाद हो जाएगा। लेकिन ये वाला जो यहां रखा है, वो कटोरी, वो प्लेट, उसमें जो है वो महाप्रसाद है। ओके, सबको पता चल गया। अब वो महाप्रसाद को आपने कृष्ण चित्रा को दे दिया कि लो खा लो, ऑनर करो, ऑनर द महाप्रसाद। उन्होंने आधा खा के उसमें थोड़ा सा छोड़ दिया, अब वो महा हो गया। तो डिवोटी ने जिसमें से खा लिया वो हुआ वैष्णवेर उच्चिष्ट। आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट यू जस्ट सेइंग। वैष्णवेर उच्चिष्ट ताहे मोरा मननिष्ठ। तो अगर मुझे ऑप्शन है प्रसाद की या महाप्रसाद की या महा की, आई एम गिवन एन ऑप्शन, व्हाट शुड आई चूज? महा। Why should I choose Maha? Because the Maha, the choice of Maha is going to help me, my spiritual life tremendously. ताहे मोरा मन निष्ठा। भक्तों के द्वारा छोड़े गए खाद्य पदार्थों के अवशेष खाने से आध्यात्मिक लाभ के प्रति दृढ़ है। आध्यात्मिक लाभ उससे ज्यादा होगा। प्रसाद से आध्यात्मिक लाभ है, महाप्रसाद से और ज्यादा। अगर महा मिल गया तो और ज्यादा। इसलिए कभी भी आपको भर भर के महा नहीं मिलेगा, महा इतना सा मिलेगा। ये प्रभु जी ने आनंद विलास प्रभु जी की प्लेट में से थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रसाद हम सबको बांट रहे, वो इतना सा मिलेगा, क्योंकि महा उतना। सो टू अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज आवर रेगुलर जनरल इस्कॉन टर्मिनोलॉजी, सो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कोई आपको कहे कि ये महा है तो आप समझ जाओ कि ये क्या है। किसी वैष्णव का खाया हुआ उच्चिष्ट है ये। या यहाँ पे भी वैष्णव की बात हो रही है, गुरु का खाया हुआ है या वैष्णव का खाया हुआ है, गुरु भी वैष्णव है और जो कोई भी सीनियर वैष्णव है, सबका उच्चिष्ट। अब गुरु का उच्चिष्ट कितना मिलेगा आपको? गुरु के पर्सनल एसोसिएशन में भी हो तो भी गुरु का उच्चिष्ट मिलना अत्यंत। भजन में गुरु के उच्चिष्ट की बात कोई नहीं कर रहा, या कर रहा है, मैंने उसको वैष्णव कर दिया। वैष्णव सॉरी, एनीथिंग उच्चिष्ट जिस प्लेट में आपने खाया है उसमें थोड़ा सा बच गया, आप उसको कहते हो झूठा, आप उसको मानते हो मे बी अनहाइजीनिक या बुरा या जो कुछ। लेकिन वैष्णव फिलॉसफी में उसको अनहाइजीनिक या बुरा नहीं माना जाता, उसको हाईएस्ट माना जाता है। इफ इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द प्लेट ऑफ, एज प्रभु जी सेड, गुरु और एनी senior Vaishnavas. Yes, consuming that will enhance your spiritual life, your spiritual progress even more. That's why it's called Mahamaha. And everybody wants that. Everybody desires. Everybody is sitting down, having prasadam. Somebody comes with a little plate or a little katori and distributing. Oh, I got Mahamaha. Oh, I got Mahamaha. Everybody says, yeah, please give me. Please give me. You may not do it, but you go to another ISKCON place, you may see all this happening. So I want you to know कि वहां क्या हो रहा है, जो आपको जाके समझ में आए कि मैं क्या देख रही हूं, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है. वो किसी वैष्णव की प्लेट का उच्चिष्ट है जो इतना इतना टुकड़ा करके बट रहा है. एक चम्मच में 50 लोग खा लेंगे. Yes.
Just by their breath, son.
Yes.
Just by their presence, breath. Even
Yes.
go and
You get purified by the presence. And when the Vaishnavas leave, if you go to their samadhi, you get same purification as if you got their personal association. That's why the samadhis are so important. We have Srila Prabhupada's samadhis. We have samadhis of other gurus and very senior Vaishnavas. So you go to their samadhi, you get the same benefit as their personal associate. That's why we go through the effort to make the samadhi, maintain the samadhi and do so much, and so many people go because they want to take advantage of that personal association, and the samadhi can provide that, not because I am saying this, because it is given by Guru Sadhu Shastra. We just follow. We're not making the rules. We're following. Vrindavana chabutara tahe mora mana घेरा. वृंदावन की भूमि वो है जिसमें मैं अपने विचार रखता हूँ. गरीब नरोत्तम दास इस तरह से बोलते हैं. वृंदावन चबूतरा. Where is Vrindavan? Vrindavan is where devotees get together and chant the holy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Vrindavan Chabutara is the Vrindavan Bhumi. And where is Vrindavan Bhumi? Vrindavan Bhumi is where people are sitting together, chanting his name, talking about Krishna, hearing about Krishna. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Archanam, Vandanam, everything is happening. So, Srila Prabhupada did not want all of you to leave Edmonton and move to Vrindavan. He obviously wanted you to always visit Vrindavan. Always visit Vrindavan. But he did not want you to pack up your bags from Edmonton and move to Vrindavan. No, he wanted you to make Vrindavan here. If you never go to Vrindavan, you will find it very hard to make Vrindavan here. So, we go there, just like this phone. It goes there to the wall outlet, sometimes to be plugged in and be charged. But it's not charging all day. It's charged up, then it goes. And after a while, it needs to be charged again. That's the same thing as going to Vrindavan. If you don't go to Vrindavan, your battery will be discharged. So you have to go back, charge it up, come back. Go to Vrindavan, go to Mayapur, the holy places, holy dhams, meet people, sit down, chant with them, hear about Krishna, talk about Krishna. That is Krishna conscious life. Everybody is ready for Krishna conscious. Any questions or comments? I have tried to explain this bhajan a little bit. Yes, 2 questions. Yes. Okay. So Panchatattva, can anybody show a picture of Panchatattva? Anyway, these are Gaur Nitai. You see on our altar, there is always a picture of 5 people standing with their hands up like that. So the middle of the 5 is Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, who is known as Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nahi Anya. He is the mixed form of Radha and Krishna. And always on his left hand side, there will be Nityananda that we started with. Right hand will be Nityananda. How do you know which one is Nityananda? Whoever is on the right hand of, and he will be usually wearing blue. And on his left hand, there is Gadadhar Pandit. Gadadhar Pandit would usually be wearing red. He is Radharani. He represents Radha. And then further than Lord Nityananda, there is Advaitacharya with the big beard, and he doesn't have his hand up, he has his hands folded. That is Advaitacharya, that is Mahavishnu. Yeah, you have all seen this. This is any ISKCON temple or any ISKCON center, any ISKCON altar at any ISKCON devotee's home. This is compulsory item. Without the Panch Tattva, our altar is incomplete. No matter who we have, what we have, without Panch Tattva, our altar is always incomplete. So, this is Panch Tattva that we worship. And on this side where there is Gadadhar, next to Gadadhar, there is Shrivas Pandit. And Shrivas Pandit is the expansion or representation of Narad Muni. So these are we were trying to do a little introduction, short introduction of the Panch Tattva. So to revise, the one in the middle, always with his hands up, is Gauranga. And on his right is Nityananda. And on his left is Gadadhar Pandit. And next to Gadadhar Pandit is Shivasacharya. And next to Nityananda is Advaitacharya. What was your other question? Adi Guru.
Radhara.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, of course, the color represent. Most of the time you would see Advaitacharya wearing white. And most of the time you would see Gadadhar Pandit wearing red. Most of the time you will see Nityananda wearing blue. And most of the time you would see Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wearing yellow. These are their favorite colors. Of course, they wear every color. They're not limited to that color. Just like all of you, Matajis, have a sari or a dress of every color in you, right? Which color is missing? All colors are always there. So, we also have dresses to dress our deities in every color. So, as far as Radharani is concerned, in the Shastra, it is not that this is right, so that is wrong, and if that is right, then this is wrong. It doesn't work that. Radharani also represents Adi Guru. She is actually more known as Bhakta Shiromani. Okay? Bhakta Shiromani. She is our leader. Okay? I will tell you the hierarchy. Okay? If you want to serve Krishna, please don't take it any other way. I'm just using you as an example. Any of us, same way. If we want to serve Krishna, we will not be able to directly serve Krishna. Okay? We don't have look at me. I'm talking to you. I'm sorry, we're disturbing you. Should we all leave the room? So, who are we supposed to serve? We are supposed to serve the senior Vaishnavas. And from the senior Vaishnavas, where would that service go? Service will go to the Guru. Where would it go from our Guru? It will go to Srila Prabhupada. From Srila Prabhupada, it will go to all the other acharyas, the Guru Parampara. From the Guru Parampara, it would go to the Goswamis. From the Goswamis, it would go to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. From Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it can go to the Gopis. From the Gopis, it would go to the Manjaris. From the Manjaris, it would go to the Gopis. Then it would go to the main Gopis. Then it would go to the Ashtasakhi. And from Ashtasakhi, it will go to Radharani. And then that seva will reach Krishna. So Radharani is your last link. She is always standing there to serve Krishna. You cannot go and stand there. She is always there to serve Krishna. But your service, she will offer to Krishna, honestly. But this is the hierarchy of your service, how that service will reach. So from Krishna, there is Radharani, then there are Sakhi, then there are 100 main Sakhis, then thousands of other Sakhis, then there is Manjaris, and then there is the Guru Parampara. Our whole Guru Parampara cannot serve Krishna directly. It can only serve Manjaris. Then the Manjaris will pass on that to the Gopis and go to Radharani, and then it will reach. So, Radharani is our Bhakta Shiromani. Nityananda is considered Adi Guru. So many examples, so many places he is named Adi Guru. And also with this example, that when Jagai and Madhai surrendered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and they wanted Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to initiate them, he said, no, Nityananda will initiate you. So he set the example, I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is the Guru. You accept him as the Guru, not directly me. I cannot be Guru. I am God. God is not Guru. Guru is not God. Is two distinct. So, Radharani being anybody's Guru, I don't have any reference. But Nityananda, Balram, and all the representatives of these, like Sheshnag, is Guru, Adi Guru, like that. So, first there is Krishna, Paratpar Paramatma, Paratpar Parameshwar. First expansion is Balram. This is God, this is Guru. He is not the Guru, he is Adi Guru. From him, we have to go down to the level of our Guru, living Guru. And then that Guru Parampara will get to Balram, and up to then, it's like Guru. Then from Balram, it will go to Krishna, and then it reaches the soul. As another way of it. Is it clear? It is not in Krishna consciousness. No, in Krishna consciousness, in philosophy, if one is valid, it doesn't invalidate the other one. Okay. So, it is not that Radharani cannot guide you as a Guru and bring you into the service of Krishna. Okay. Just because Balram can do it or Nityananda can do it, Radharani cannot do it. It doesn't work that way. It is not either this one or that one. It is both. We are not Ekeshwarvadi. There are people who are Ekeshwarvadi. Okay. Ekeshwarvadi. Who's Ekeshwarvadi? Like Christians. Except Jesus Christ, there is nothing else. One. Ekeshwarvadi. Then there are Muslims. One Allah. That's it. It ends with that one. We are not that way. We have the 6 Goswamis, we have the Panch Tattva, we have the 3 over there, we have 2 over here and the 2 over there. And we say Krishna, 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 but look at our altar. How many Krishnas? We are not Ekeshwarvadi. We are, although Krishna is one, but forms are so many. So, in the form of Radharani, she can also act as a Guru. In the Panch Tattva, Srivasacharya can act as a Guru. Gadadhar Pandit can act as a Guru. And everybody else can act as a Guru. The reference to the Adi Guru in the Shastra is mostly given to Nityananda or that line, Balram. But if somebody says that Radharani is also Adi Guru or represents Guru, is not wrong. Just because this is right, this has to be wrong? No. We say this Saraswati Mata. What is your name? Purnamasi. Purnamasi Mataji is somebody's wife. What is your husband's name? Narendra Gautam is her husband. But now, these are material identities. Come to the spiritual side. We can call Krishna to be her husband. Does that mean she has 2 husbands now? No, she still has one. Her body has one husband and her soul has... Then we can say Jagannath is also her husband. And she would accept that. Would that mean she has 3 husbands now? No. You understand? So, just because one is right doesn't make the other one wrong. Because it's philosophy. In philosophy, it doesn't work that if this is right, then everything else must be. No, so many rights. And many wrongs may be there. Depending upon how you look at the situation. Who's not Guru? Tell me. Who's not Guru? Anybody who's encouraging anyone to take name of Hari once becomes. So in philosophy, it is not if this is right, this must be, everything else must be wrong. So many. But more references, if you look up the Veda base, you would find more references from Srila Prabhupada calling Nityananda Adi Guru than calling Radharani Adi Guru. Although she can be. But Srila Prabhupada does not refer to her as an Adi Guru so many times, but he refers Nityananda as Adi Guru so many. Guru of all the Gurus. Balram. He represents. Any other question?
I got the answer.
Yeah. Chaitanya, ठीक कहा ना? ठीक कहा ना? हिंदी नहीं बोलता?
ठीक है
हिंदी बोलता है? समझता है?
वो हिंदी ही बोलता है
हाँ? तभी है। तो जो मैं कह रहा हूँ ठीक कह रहा हूँ ना? गलत तो नहीं कहा? एक मिनट, इनको फिनिश हो। देखो, गुरु किसी का कौन होता है? जो किसी को दीक्षा दे, आपको लगता है राधा रानी ने सुखदेव गोस्वामी को दीक्षा दी है? लेकिन सुखदेव गोस्वामी इटर्नली इज द पैरेट ऑफ श्रीमती राधा रानी. सो इन eternally. So in that sense, he is a follower of Srimati Radharani. As Shukdev Goswami, he learnt everything he knew from Maharshi Vedvyas. Maharshi Vedvyas is Supreme Personality of Godhead. So again, I'm sorry, I have to repeat this, that if one is wrong doesn't mean the other is. In philosophy, there are so many right answers. So if you say, okay, Parashar Muni is the guru of Shukdev Goswami, I accept that. You say Maharshi Vedvyas, really, formally he has no guru. Who did he take initiation from? You tell me one reference that he took initiation from this personality. So, Radharani is everybody's guru, especially this parrot was the team. More directly, the parrots served Vrinda Devi. But Vrinda Devi is in the team of Srimati Radharani. So, Radharani is on top. जगत गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद की